Meanwhile, the BJP seems to have adopted a particular stance after the recent criticism from senior party leader Jaswant Singh. Silence. By and large, the party is simply refusing to comment.
A new day, a new voice of dissent in the BJP. Now it's a former major at war within.
But there is need for ideological distillation of thought. The BJP has to be a current party. It can't be a party of yesterday.
Jaswant was candid on NDTV, but most of the BJP went into determined silence after he went public with criticism. Jaswant is believed to have circulated a note within the party's core group questioning why those who led the campaign and the party have been rewarded. As multiple fronts of conflict open up, the gag orders to the party leadership to not go public with differences doesn't seem to be working.
जो डॉक्टर हेडगेवार को नहीं मानता है, विचारधारा को, पंडित दीनदयाल की विचारधारा को नहीं मानता है, उसको इस पार्टी के अंदर रहने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Vinay Katiyar even broke free from his party line on the women reservation bill.
चाहे लालू हो, चाहे मुलायम हो, चाहे पासवान जी हो, कोई भी हो, चाहे नीतीश कुमार हो, उनसे सबसे कहना चाहता हूँ, निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ कि इस बिल जो वर्तमान समय का प्रारूप है इसको पास मत होने दो.
After the election defeat, the BJP finds two camps ranged against each other. One led by Advani, who has placed Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj as leaders in parliament, and may back Jaitley, Sushma or Venkaiah Naidu for president in December. The rival camp has leaders eyeing party posts as and when Advani steps down. Now the key meeting will be when the BJP's national executive meets next week. The RSS chief will also be in Delhi, keeping an eye. As senior leaders ask what is Hindutva, it's here that the real clash is expected.
In 2004, the India Shining slogan bombed. In 2009, Advani for PM failed to help the BJP come to power in Delhi. Now condemned to spend 5 more years in the opposition, the party with a difference seems to have become a party with bitter differences. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.